Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing the MF3RS3 M. So I do own both the version 1 and version 2 of this puzzle. The version 1 right now is acting as a homemade bandage cube, and the version 2 is actually magnetic. Now both these cubes were my 3x3 main at some point, so hopefully the MF3RS3 can be too. Also, this is the first cube out of the 3 to be factory magnetized. I guess when they saw how successful the magnetic MF3RS2 was, they decided that they might as well just make a factory magnetized MF3RS3. Let's just get into the box. Alright, looks like we have the cube, a cool MOU stand, as well as these tools, which I believe help with tensioning, and the screwdriver, the Team MOU card, and some sort of business card. And it looks like they also have extra magnets in case some of them fall out. And of course, the pamphlet. That's it for the box. Alright, let's get into the cube. Just off the bat, it looks like the shades are a little bit different. The blue is a little bit darker on the MF3RS3, and the rest of the colors, there's not too much difference. The red is darker. Let's just get into first turns. Very sandy right out of the box. Tensions are okay. Yeah, the magnets aren't too strong, but I can definitely feel them when turning slowly. It's pretty smooth and fast. Yeah, this is super sandy. Overall, it feels slightly blockier than the MF3RS2. Alright, let's check the corner cutting. I expect it to be pretty good. Okay, 45 right out of the box, even more. And reverse. Not quite half a piece, but a little bit less. This is also 56 millimeters, just like the MF3RS2. So hopefully after some breaking and setting it up, this cube would become more main-worthy. As of now, it's just not living up to the expectations set by the cubes that came before it. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe for more content in the future. Thanks for watching. Bye.